Hi everyone, Technomaths here with another video, and today we're looking at one of a very powerful and an Excel function that you might use almost daily if you are doing analysis, because essentially in real life you are always making decisions. If I don't want this, I want this, and even in Excel and data analysis you have similar functions, not only in Excel but also in programming, and these functions essentially borrow from some of the most prominent programming languages out here. So what we're looking at today is the if function. What the if function does for you is it returns a true or false value based on a logical test that you're doing. And as you can see, you tell it that it will perform a logical test, and if the value is true, then this is the output you expect, and if the value is false, that's the output you expect. So for example, if we were to use the formula here and we were testing that is equals to 5, then I'd put in that, a comma, and say true, and if false, I can decide not to enter anything and close the bracket. So what that simply means is that it will leave it blank if the condition is not met. So if I came to cell A1 and change that to say 4, you see it comes to 0. Alternatively, I can change the formula and put in bracket false for the same, and it will return that, and if I change this to 5, it returns that. So the if function doesn't only apply for equating kind of formula. It can also work for greater than, equal to, less than, as we'll see here. If this value is greater than 3, then write true. Else you can say less than 3, close the bracket, and if we put in 1, what do we see? Changes to exactly what we wanted. So the if functionality can be used in conjunction with so many other formulas just to make sure that your evaluation is 100% true, where say you are looking up a value, like we'll see in the next video. If you are looking up for certain grades, say you are grading your students and the value is not there, then you can put an if condition that if this value is not there, then just put in missing marks, like one of the things we've seen with some campuses, no results. So in that kind of evaluation, when you cannot grade, you can pair the if functionality with a lookup function to be able to filter your data quickly and understand what went wrong based on the functions you've put in. If you like the videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one. Thank you.